Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, let's see if we can get this gray tarp up. Anyways, it's going to be a mess because it's just not how it's designed to work. But we're going to give it a heck of a shot and see what happens. Now we've managed to tweak some things here. I think it's because the wind came out of the north and this didn't have any sides on it to help hold it centered. It's definitely pulled this way. The whole thing is pulled that way. Like raising the mast on the old McGregor. I think it's trying to lift a bunch of water. That's a fair amount. Get you over here out of the drips. Maybe over here you can actually see what I'm doing. That tarp had a ton of water in it. At least that section doesn't have any water in it anymore because it's up off the ground. Just noticed something. Doesn't matter in this particular instance, but I have this tarp upside down. This is supposed to be the outside surface. Now, in this case, I'm going to have the rest of the tent over the top of it, so come see, come saw, it'll work. It's just not how it's supposed to be. I'm going to have to put some more eyelets in here too, because I see I've got some torn out, which is understandable seeing as how the whole thing got flipped over in a windstorm. Okay, now I have a batch of screw eyes to put in, and I have ratcheting straps. Ratchet straps are going to go in here and tie this tarp down. I'm going to put one on each end two on each end right now, so that I can tie this thing down and get it semi-stable. And hopefully this afternoon, after I mow the yard, up goes the actual roof of the tent. But for right now, temporary tie downs. Now they're just about level. Close enough. Get another ratchet strap, hook it to that side on the outside, and then pull it across to this one. We're almost dead even. Okay. Got the tarp pulled fairly tight on that side. I still got some wrinkles up near the top. But I need to do cross bracing up here at the top too to pull this together like it's supposed to be. But to manage that, I got to put an eyelet over there, and that should let me tie this together. I probably should put a couple of eyelets in. Got this one, which can go up across to there. Tie those two together. Let's go see how the other end looks before I get too involved in this end. Maybe we'll put like 3 or 4 of them in there, just to give that a really good place to thread a rope through and just cinch that whole thing down like a Conestoga wagon. So we're looking pretty good. And Sadie's making noises like she wants to go inside and get a drink of water. Want to go in the house, Sadie? Come on, let's go in the house. Come on. Yep, that was a sale. Okay. Come on, Sadie. Good dog. Well, as usual, my intent was to come out and mow the yard, but it rained that afternoon. So the tarp got washed off a bit and things got a little cleaner, but not a whole lot better. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.